Honourable Minister for Agriculture.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'll contribute to the motion. I do not support the motion, Madam Speaker, and I'll justify why. Let me state a few things before I go on to the issues that I want to cover very briefly. One, Madam Speaker, Rome was not built in one day. Give this government time to fix what needs to be fixed. Madam Speaker, I've spoken about the positive turnaround in the agriculture sector, and sugar is one of the subsectors, major contributor in this positive turnaround. And I'm again urging all members and of course the people of this nation to give government time so that we can fix the... Madam Speaker, when we want to get rid of cobwebs, we have to get rid of the spider. Unfortunately for the sugar industry, for a long time we were just trying to dust off the cobwebs. But the spider was well alive and active and doing all the damages that it was doing. Madam Speaker, the government got rid of the spider so that we can then get rid of the cobwebs. That is very, very critical, Madam Speaker. To me, this bipartisan approach is what I call crocodile tears. When damage has been done, the victim is already being swallowed and hurt, and then wait to show emotion, tears, and crocodile tears, Madam Speaker. I'm an active cane farmer, and I know the issues in the sugar industry. I'll talk about what affects production, put aside the milling and the marketing component. Few things. One, land. From 1993, land leases were not renewed. Starting from 1993, 2008, then Cebu came into place. So production, even then, was affected. Madam Speaker, 5 years from expiry, cane farmers do not reinvest in their farms, in their business. Never. Because of the uncertainty then. Land, again, was the major downfall in sugar production, Madam Speaker, until 2008, when most of the land leases were then renewed under the current government. You go to Taveuni, most of the farmers in Taveuni now are from the sugar belt areas. You go to Manoda in Usuri, you go to Bambalea, you go to Rewanga in Navua, cane farmers who left because of the non-renewal of leases, Madam Speaker. Go to Tawilebu, go to Windongo in Botuanga. This is where all they ended up, Madam Speaker, because of the non-renewal of leases. I will not dwell more on that. Soil degradation. Farming is a business, but we need productive soils. The Honorable Prem Singh talked about ratoon crops that are more than 20 to 30 years. You keep pumping in fertilizer, chemical fertilizer, without any remedial action, it degrades soil fertility. Definitely, it's going to affect production. It's going to affect production. Fertilizer is being subsidized, but it's the farmers that make the choices, Madam Speaker, and unfortunately for some, definitely they are smallholder farmers, they are not reinvesting. Changing weather patterns. Madam Speaker, we've gone through cycles of El Nino comes every 4 years, Madam Speaker. According to a reputable soil scientist at Newcastle University, I had a session with him last year when he visited Fiji. Whenever there is an El Nino, production decreases automatically or affects production automatically by 18%. Madam Speaker, these are contributing factors, nothing to do with government is creating the environment, but these are external factors that are beyond our influence, Madam Speaker. Labor and aging farmers, this is a fact. It's in the rice industry, it's in the sugar industry. We have a lot of aging farmers, and we respect the commitment for those that are remaining. But that is a fact, Madam Speaker. We have a lot of aging farmers, and of course there is a shortage of labor, because not all cane gets to the mill. Not all cane gets to the mill. There are some leftover cane in the field because of the shortage of labor issues, Madam Speaker. These are some of the issues. I know that there are a few others who would like to take the floor, Madam Speaker, on this motion. But again, to me, crocodile tears, damage has been done, and we want to come here but let's give government time to clean up the rest of the cobweb, because the spider has been, we've gotten rid of it, Madam Speaker. Thank you.